Formula of electric current. I is equal to Q by T, where Q is electric charge and T is time. How can we write the definition of electric current by this formula? I equals to Q by T. Here time is in denominator, so we will take time as unit. So electric charge flows through any cross section of conductor per unit time is called electric current. Electric charge flows through any cross section of the conductor in unit time is called electric current. This is conductor and this is cross section of this conductor. If Q charge flows through this cross section in time t, then electric current flows through this conductor is I equals to Q by T. So I equals to Q by T, where Q is charge and T is time. What is the unit of electric current? Unit of electric current is ampere. Ampere equals to unit of electric charge Q, that is coulomb, and unit of time is second. So how can we write the definition of ampere? If we take Q equals to 1 coulomb and T equal to 1 second, here if we take Q equals to 1, T equals to 1, then answer will be 1 ampere. If 1 coulomb charge flows through any cross section of the conductor in 1 second, then the electric current flows through the conductor is called to be 1 ampere. Once again, if 1 coulomb charge flows through any cross section in 1 second, the electric current flows through this conductor is called to be 1 ampere. The instrument to measure the electric current is known as ammeter. Electric current is measured by an instrument which is known as ammeter. So once again, what is electric current? Electric charge flows through any cross section of conductor in unit time is called electric current. If Q charge flows through a cross section of a conductor in time t, then electric current I equals to Q by T. The unit of electric current is ampere. Ampere equals to coulomb per second. Because the unit of electric charge is coulomb, so we can write ampere equals to coulomb per second. What is definition of ampere? If 1 coulomb charge flows through any cross section of conductor in 1 second, then electric current flows through this conductor is called to be 1 ampere. The instrument to measure the electric current is known as ammeter. The second topic is electric potential and potential difference. Formula of potential difference is V equals to W by Q. So from this formula we can write the definition of potential difference. Work done per unit positive charge. Here electric charge is in denominator, so we will take it as unit. So work done per unit positive charge. To take it from one point to another point is called potential difference between these 2 points. So what is definition of potential difference? Work done per unit positive electric charge to move it from one point to another point is called potential difference between the 2 points. So what does it mean? Here one point is A, unit positive electric charge, that is I will take 1 coulomb. So if 1 coulomb charge is moving from A to B, the work done during this is known as potential difference between point A and B. So what is potential difference? Work done per unit positive electric charge to move it from one point to another point is called the potential difference between these points. So potential difference V equals to W by Q. So we will write here first of all definition of potential difference. What is potential difference? Work done per unit positive electric charge to move it from one point to another point is called potential difference between the 2 points. V equals to W by Q. What is its unit? The unit of potential difference is volt. Volt equals to unit of work is joule and unit of electric charge is coulomb. So unit of potential difference is volt equals to joule per coulomb. To measure the potential difference, the instrument is used is known as voltmeter. So potential difference can be measured by an instrument which is known as voltmeter. So once again, work done per unit positive charge to move it from one point to another point is called potential difference between these points. V equals to W by Q. Unit of potential difference volt equals to joule per coulomb. The instrument to measure the potential difference is known as voltmeter.